Committee on Travel Unity Cotu has announced a 12-hour total shutdown in Kangpokpi district from 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. on November 30th in protest against the army's restrictions on the movement of the Kuki-Zo community in Leimakhong area. In a press release issued yesterday, Cotu condemned the restrictions and demanded immediate withdrawal, while extending full support to the ongoing search and rescue operation from the abducted MES employee from the Leimakhong Army cantonment. Cotu highlighted that amid the ongoing conflict, both Kuki-Zo and Meitei community face challenges. They noted that Kuki-Zo are unable to pass through the Imphal Valley, just as Meiteis cannot safely travel through hill areas. The shutdown is aimed at urging the army to lift the restrictions of movement for Kuki-Zo people in Leimakhong area. Cotu also announced plans to hold a mass protest rally in multiple locations, including Gamgipai, Saparmaina, Kaithelmanbi Military Colony, Thomas Ground Kangpokpi, Saikul, Leimakhong, Kangchup and New Kaithelmanbi. The group has called upon the Kuki-Zo community to close all government and private workplaces and halt trading or personal activities during the shutdown.